In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Creality printer with the CFS to automatically switch to a new roll of filament when the current one runs out. The first method I'm going to demonstrate uses the Creality Print application on your PC. Here I've loaded up a basket model I often use to use up rolls of filament that are nearly empty, not suitable for larger prints. I'm now selecting Device at the top, then Details on the printer so it brings up the interface. In the bottom right you can see the colours currently loaded into your CFS. I'm clicking the auto, which currently shows no matching filaments set for automatic refill. Next I've selected the bottom left of the guide to open the filament box settings. Make sure the automatic feeding system option is enabled. Now select each colour one at a time by clicking on the edit pencil beneath it and set every filament to the exact same settings. In this example I'm using green, but the colour really doesn't matter. What's important is that they're all identical. Next go to the Prepare button at the top and click on the Auto Mapping button. If everything is set correctly, all the selected filaments should now match the colour you chose. Go back to the device screen to confirm the settings. The Auto button should now display the 4 colours. Then return to the Prepare screen and slice the model. Once this is complete, click on the Send Print. Before starting, make sure, and this is important, that the colour is set to 1A. This is the first colour in the run. You can now send your model to the printer. And this is it printing, and it'll go through automatically switching to the next filament when the other one runs out. Using the screen on the Creality printer, I'm going to show you how to get the CFS to automatically switch to a new filament spool when the old one runs out. First, click the cog icon in the bottom left next to the guide button and make sure the auto refill is enabled. The auto button at this stage is likely to show no matching filaments for automatic refill. Next, click the pencil beneath each colour and set all 4 filament spools to the same colour and identical settings. The specific colour doesn't matter, but they must all match exactly. Click Auto again and it should now show all 4 filaments aligned, starting with 1A. You can now print your model and the CFS will automatically switch to the next spool when the current one runs out. These are a few examples of prints I use this for. These are desiccant holders, silica holders. They fit in the middle of a spool, keep the filament dry. And these others are just simple baskets I find are handy for the kids to keep their odds and ends in. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer. A like and subscribe is always most appreciated, and thank you for watching.